No, no le pongas eso.
Ya no va a limpiar.
¿Eh?
Ya no va a limpiar ya.
Pues por eso te digo que se va a llenar mismo tierra bien gacho.
Más para arriba, más para arriba. What up, bro, gang? Welcome back. We're back again with another video. Today. Yeah, I've been late. Sorry, I'm already 6.
Oh, to the messages.
Shout out to my baby. Today we're back with another video. As you guys can see, I have my boy in the back. Shout out to Omar.
I'm back.
He's back.
I got hired again.
He's hired again, pero como que
And I'm fucking sick, like always. If you know me, then you know me.
como que trae coronavirus por ahí, pero dice que nomás puro moquillo.
Saco.
I don't know. Today we're back to another video of 350Z, guys.
With the mic on, with the camera recording, with battery and shit. Chamorro pendejo.
Llegado.
Lo dejo un día solo y graba como 15 horas. Pinche. Whose fucking meds is this? Whose fucking meds?
Noelia's.
Is this someone meds?
And Noelia's like,
No, man.
anyways.
For real. On the
Anyways.
fucking hot.
It's hot as fuck.
Like, nomás un pendejo se le ocurre traer negro when it's fucking...
Look at the fucking drip. Karen, respect the fucking drip.
Es donde mi pa.
Eso let's get out of work. Hablando de work, guys. We're back on Monday, so I don't know about the videos. Cause you know, I have a live. This was just for fun, nomás una week en lo que duraba. Yeah. So this is the last video, guys. Fuck. Just kidding.
Ya puedes.
Alright, so today we're installing
Fuck, I forgot to turn on the mic. Holy verga, loco. That's funny.
loco. Hey, loco. We're installing Louver.
You guys probably realize we don't know English for shit. Or Spanish.
Yeah. Neither of those.
Should we put comments? Like the yellow subtitles?
You guys can see them from China. So we're installing the Louvers on the 350Z, guys. So I like to hold the camera to talk to you guys. Omar doesn't like to do that, but I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for the support. We were already working on the car since not the morning, but hace rato. We were just doing some new things, and it's this one. Oh shit. So basically all it is a plate holder. You guys can see. It's the one that was like, I know as you guys, you know, gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. And then there's that screws and that metal thing. Can you show us how it works, Marijo? Please. Little Shy Boy 831. So look, basically what it does.
It's a sign, you just hold it.
It's a sign. I have to hold it
Por la
from the
ventana.
window. Yeah.
Yeah. So this shit, it mounts right here to the frame or some shit. Or this frame. So basically this is framed in the car. This is the body. So just put it in. And you
Man.
can hide it.
Clean. There's one that has a remote and all you do is click the little button, but I don't want to deal with the fucking wiring because si ni así le entiendo ahora con esa madre. I was like, nah, it's fine. I just do it with my hand.
So empezamos, ya está cansado.
Me acabo de bañar, no me baño. Like, ni me baño. ¿Y dónde?
¿Qué verga?
Pues pasé los ojos.
Again.
Ahí.
I don't know. Right there, guys, or what?
Does that look good? Ahí.
I don't know.
Queda más poquitos güey. Pero así del body, sí. Vale verga, guys. So the drill so I can make the hole in the dash bar thingy mentioned. That doesn't fit because of the bumper. So we're just gonna do that shit some other day.
You gotta take it off.
Probably tomorrow. Probably some other day. I just hope I don't get stopped. Cause you know, California laws. But that's fucking cops. So basically all we're gonna do is just install the louver. And that's it.
Good bit. So yeah, make sure you guys clean this shit good, cause it'll probably be the last time you can clean it as good. I don't know how that shit works. So I fucked up the other video cause I forgot to fucking turn on the mic. But yeah, pretty much he just showed it and he said we're supposed to clean the windshield, which we did already. So we're just gonna show you guys this right now.
This one. How? ¿Me quitas esto o?
Pues un mocasín. Vamos a ver este vato. I thought he was playing when he said he was gonna put it on like that, but I guess not. Yeah, no, we're just gonna show it. But again, this is 50 horsepower or 25 if you put it on good.
¿Y cómo se dice eso, guys? Uno que no sabe inglés no sabe cómo decirlo.
I don't know, but JDM. Yeah, so for this one, you just put double-sided tape around on fucking both. We have this one. A ver qué pedo. Murió when he does when this quarantine started. But yeah.
Oh, mames.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
El de verga, chapo.
Come on.
Yeah.
No. What a fucking dumbass. So, I guess not even this shit's gonna go on. Cause 1,200 wasn't enough.
Alright guys, so this is the final result after like 2 hours and going to the store. Getting more tea.
So they didn't have this one no more. We bought 3M tape and you just put it all to the edge.
Try our best. Okay.
That should hold on.
Si se cae, ahí se la encuentra alguien. It's free. Alright, so we're just gonna peel it off and then just install it.
No, el vidrio va a quedar bien feo el vidrio. ¿Cómo le vas a limpiar el vidrio? No, no le pongas eso.
Ya no va a limpiar.
¿Eh?
No va a limpiar ya.
Pues por eso digo que se va a llenar bien de tierra bien gacho.
Más arriba, más arriba.
No, ese güey no quedó.
video.
¿Eh? No, no quedó.
Ahí va. Un poquito para acá.
¿Por qué está pegando en el vidrio?
Pues eso es. ¿Cómo no va a pegar en el vídeo? ¿Cómo quiero que quede?
¿Viento?
Y cuando vaya así, va a estar pegue en el vídeo.
No, está bien, está la curvita de aquí.
Pero
De aquí, está bien, está bien. Ah, Ahí se va. Los Mexicanos dicen, ahí se va. Está bien, ahí se va. Más acá.
And we're done. It's on. Shout out to my boy Omar. Alright, now we're gonna park it right here so we can do some videos and some pictures of it. Give this video a thumbs up or thumbs down, whatever you want to do.
Comment, talk shit. What's your opinion on this? On the bumper, on the hood,
On the color,
or
suggestion.
comment hashtag
Suggestion.
fuck Moody Ho or fuck Omar.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys, the 30 of you right now. Hopefully this shit goes up and becomes something. Yeah. Stay safe, stay away from coronavirus, and make the day yours. See you guys on the next one.
Hey, this bitch kinda heat.